Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting video. So now is the flight vlog for 6C185 from Bengaluru to Varanasi. You may ask why Varanasi, because it's been quite a while since I've taken a domestic flight. So yeah, let's go. And now we are departing not from Terminal 1 but from Terminal 2. So I'm seated on the right side of the aircraft at 12F, and this is the view of the engine. Great thing. So it's gonna be a really good flight, and I'm gonna resume once we have begun the pushback. So the aircraft we are flying on today is the Airbus A321 Neo, as I've said. So this is a brand new aircraft. I've checked the details. It's 1.5 years old. Okay, so now let's read the safety card. And since it's brand new, the interiors look really good, and the windows are a lot bigger than the standard A320, and instead of bulky round tray tables, it's this sleek modern one which you can open like this, and it's obviously a lot smoother than last time. Okay, and also the back seat pocket space has also increased. You can see the no smoking sign with the crew attendants. Everything is great on this brand new A320. Legroom check, it's really good. I can stretch my legs fully to the end, and it's really good. Okay, we have just started the pushback. Okay, let's say adieu to the 777. Bye bye 777. Did they start the engine? No. Okay, we are still pushing back. Yeah, the engine will start soon. Okay, the navigation light has been turned on. They're giving the safety announcement. The blue, yellow and green hydraulic systems have begun. The right hand engine is getting started right now. Okay, the aircraft's right engine has been turned on, as I've told you, and now they are moving it to 20% of the maximum power. And also I forgot to mention, there's this brand new app which works without internet, so I'm going to be tracking the aircraft speed with that today. Yeah, let's start it. Okay, the left hand engine has been started, so it is the Neo, which means it's got the CFM LEAP engine. So both of them are started, and the left one is going to 20% of the maximum power. So we're going to shortly begin taxiing. They are extending the flaps and checking all the control surfaces on the wing for taxiing. We have officially begun taxiing. Okay, so I'm trying to get the speedometer app to work, but it's not working. So in the meanwhile, the taxi is begun. Okay, the speed test app has started, so let's go. Okay, it still needs to arm. So yeah, it has to, 28 kilometers per hour, 26, 21, 20, 18. So we have slowed down a bit, and during the takeoff roll it's gonna go to maximum power. There are blue lights which guides the aircraft onto the runway, and we are turning right. I hope this is a quick and speedy takeoff. Boring taxi is not good for anyone. Okay, taxiing. Bye bye Bengaluru. Okay, we are little bit faster than last time. Instead of 24, it's 30, 34, 36 kilometers per hour, and I can feel the aircraft accelerating. So we're gonna track the distance entirely till the doors open in Varanasi. We are turning right I think this is the runway. So they're gonna turn the lights off completely. We are at 21 kilometers per hour. We are at currently 26 kilometers per hour. And the best thing about this app is it works in online, offline, airplane mode, any mode, without or with the internet. So I put it on airplane mode and it's still working flawlessly. Okay, they have turned the lights off and pilot said that crew to take off position in the seats. So, yeah. A lot better look of the outside. Okay, we can see the fluorescent neon lights glowing there. So it glows every time, but when the lights are off, it glows even better. They're slowing down. They put to flap 2. They're slowing down really well. Yeah, that's the barking sound of the hydraulic system getting the final check. So topic to be covered in another video, barking sound. Okay, we are turning on to the runway. You can see the white light is of the nose gear. It looks so good. Okay, we are turning right. Wow. Once they ask the clearance from ATC, it's up and going. So the engines are spooling up now. I think 30 or 35% of the maximum power. Can feel the vibrations because I'm sitting right in front of the engine. The navigation lights have been turned on. Okay, spooling up. I think they are gonna take off now, but let's see. We are at 50 kilometers per hour. And the taxi is still going on, but it's a good taxi. Okay, now they have turned on the landing lights which show the engines clearly with the navigation lights. So they are preparing for takeoff. Okay, now we have entered the grass field on both sides, which means 09er right. So we are on the runway 09er right. So yeah, let's start. Okay, now it's time for asking the ATC the clearance. Okay, now wow, begin the takeoff roll. Okay, 100% of the maximum power has been given. Watch the speedometer. It's going up so quickly. 86, 102, 110, 115, 133, 140, 145, 154, 168, 177, 186, 194, 240. It's gone up to the maximum speed and we're still rolling down the runway. Let's see the digital how it looks. Okay, the digital shows far much better than the analog. We won, rotate, 330 knots was, oh wow, super takeoff. 3 degrees nose up attitude and a slight bank to the right. The speed is 341. Okay, so now they're leveling the aircraft to gather a bit more speed to continue climb to cruising altitude. We are in 2 degrees nose up altitude now. The city lights are so good. Okay, 410 kilometers per hour. Wow. Okay, we are in a left bank. Well-lit airport to pitch dark skies. It's still in the left bank and now I think we're starting to level out. The city lights are coming into the view, which means we are leveling the wings. Are super quiet on this aircraft, which is a good thing. Okay, now we are going into right bank. Okay, now we have leveled. Wow. Watch the climb, it's so good. Wow. The speed is 541 kilometers per hour. Seatbelt sign has been turned off, which means we are doing the climb by the autopilot. So yeah, the autopilot will take on from now. Okay, the lights have been turned on. The cabin. Okay, I've turned on the overhead lights, so the current speed is 725 kilometers per hour and it's increasing a lot. The max speed is the name of my favorite aircraft. Max speed is 747 kilometers per hour. It's now 749, 751. So now they're leveling the wings. They put the seatbelt sign on, which means turbulence. I bought this cookie from home. It's a freshly baked crunchy cookie man cookie, one of my favorite brands. So it's a British brand, so I'm going to eat it. So this is the cookie. I'm going to have it and taste test. Honestly, it's better than anything I've ever had in my life, but it's great. So the current speed is 796, max speed recorded 799. Okay, found this magazine in the seat pocket. It says hello 6C. I'm gonna read it now. Let's see how it is. So its contents, it's February. Okay, is there any kids section like the other airline which I've reviewed? Let's see. Wow, ice cream they serve. Didn't know that. says some cities which you can read. So there are the celebration when the sea healed itself along Kenya's tranquil coastline and ocean. One stripped bare now pulses with life. Wow. Kenya, Africa. So wow, so good. Diving. Turbulence again. Okay, now it's, I think, shows the food choices. Ready to eat INR 400 or $5, and munchies $3 or INR 200. Beverages hot, cold, and then cold drinks. Okay, so it's a blue chip. Let's see what it is. Easy to earn, easy to burn, redeem real time, valid lifetime. Enroll to become Indigo Blue Chip member on Indigo apps. What is this? I'm gonna ask the crew later. And that's it for the magazine. Okay, I've asked for water time to start the timer. Let's see how long it takes. Can I get one water, please? Okay, I've asked again. And stop. Okay, it took 3 seconds when I got to stop the timer. So 23 seconds I asked for the second time. The first time I asked, I guess they didn't hear. So 3 seconds off, and 23 minus 20 seconds. It's a really fast time. So it's now time to check the speed of the aircraft. 376 was the max speed recorded, and now 8:35. Time for the water test. Okay, great water. Okay, I bought some things to eat. Some of them I got chips, some juice and gems. So we're gonna meet in the next video where I'll show the washroom, the cabin, the new cabin and the landing. So please don't forget to subscribe and have a nice day.